And I assure you, in the entire world, if you ask anyone anywhere in the world, where will be your ultimate goal of investing for safety, ethics, and profitability? They'll tell you United States of America. Do you understand? China is great. Try to do business there. If you're a Chinese, you're going to come back and tell me, no, there's a lot of corruption, it's very hard. Try India. Try Egypt. Try France. Try anywhere in the world. I can walk you through the whole world. Wonderful places, great people. Politically, they're messed up, except Singapore. Except Singapore. Okay, but the president, or whatever you call it, of Singapore just died. If you want to know the perfect political system, it's Singapore. Study it. Read about this guy's life. That's what everybody should copy. But the United States somehow has a system of more ethics, enforcing certain things that maybe bother us, but at the end of the day, this is the economy that works. And if you just position yourself a little bit right, get some credit, get some saving, get some right people with you, know what to do, boom, you make it. Other countries, you have nothing. Somebody was telling me a couple of years ago, in Argentina, I had a driver, I had a cleaning person, I had this, I lived like a king. I come here, there's nothing. Well, wait a minute. You want to judge how great a country is? Judge it by the lowest person, the poor person. Do they have right? Here, try to sexually harass a housekeeper. You'll be arrested. You'll go to jail. Do you think they have rights like this other parts of the world? No. We are in the greatest place. So don't think we're doing so bad. We're in California here, actually. Of all the country, this is the best place. So if you're doing badly here, there is hope.